Happy Potato Day, everybody. So, I took the liberty of already removing the foliage from my potato towers. Opened up the little hoopy things on them. And get rid of the wire hoops, because then we're going to start dismantling. Oh my God, this one's stuck. There. We'll just leave that there for now. And then we topple the tower onto the tarp. There we go. There's like multiple layers in here. So, and I'm going to be careful because I know that the spiders are digging friggin' like nests in here. So far, nice. Well, there's an earthworm in here, Juan. Good soil in there. My hubby is also recording for posterity's sake in case I screw up. It's good to have someone who's a forward thinker. Oh my goodness. So far so good, Juan. Looks really good in here. Oh, they look very healthy. So far, nothing like the other ones from that other pot that I tipped over. But beggars can't be choosers, I guess. Oh, gross. That was the seed potato I just put my hand on. Oh, gross. It's all wet and mushy. Yeah, there's multiple layers. I haven't gone through those ones yet. I'll try and stay away from this section here. Potato there. Oh, gross. Not much grosses me out, but that definitely does. Okay. I pretty much don't think there's anything left in that layer. Let's see what was in this one. It's like digging for gold. Potato gold. Oh, that's a C. That's gross. That one stay in there. So that. Oh. Every time I touch something, it's like there's another potato. Oh, these little guys, they're useless. There's lots of worms in here, though. Digging, you keep finding. I don't know what that looks like. It's very weird in its shape. There's a lot of little guys here. Don't dismiss the little ones. You make potato salad with them. Oh, girl, that was another of those seed potatoes. Earwig, you're not invited to this party. Oh. Well, it looks like I'll be digging in here for a while, plus the other one. So I'm going to continue digging, and I will come back to you and show you the end result. Well, as you can see, everything's torn apart. And pretty much this was from the first tower, and now we've got all this here from the second tower. Now, I know it doesn't look like a lot of potatoes to some people, because they do get quite a bit of potatoes. They plant a shit ton and they get like hundreds of pounds. But you know what? At the end of the day, we're still learning how to do this, and there's more than enough potatoes here that will last us a few months before I actually have to go back to the store and buy again. But it's all good, man. It's all good. It's all part of the learning experience. Anyway, thanks for celebrating Potato Day with me, and we'll catch you soon. Ciao, ciao.